Hello guys, welcome to Barista Ali Facebook page. So hope you are all guys well. So I'm going to show you today how to make calibration. So for the calibration, so I took their shot 18.4 gram. Okay. So let's see. So I extract this one. It's supposed to be the second 27 to 30, and the coffee will be 27 to 30 ml. So it's a start from you guys can see start from 40, but it's supposed to be start from 8. So that means my espresso is little bit fine. I need to make it little bit coarse. Let's see how long this one takes. See, this one 39, 40. That means you need to make it this one fine. Show there. Come. See, 44. This one 44. That means it's too much. I need 27 to 30. So this one you guys see, this one 5.5. So that means it's fine. I need to make it little bit coarse, right? So let's make it 6, almost 6, and I have to do what? Take from here little bit, okay? See? Okay, I took the espresso and I need to throw this. Wash it very well. There again. And I will take 18.5 gram of coffee grind. So 18. So I took from here from little bit 18.5. Okay. Make sure, see, you need to throw this. When you make like this, it will be not good, for the rubber will be damaged. Let's do another here. Okay, let's see. This one supposed to be 27 to 30. See, now it's start from the 8, so that means it's good side. Before this one start from 14, that's why it's 44 second it's take. It's start from 8. I think it will be 35. So we our goal is the extraction time will be 27 to 33. Okay, and the espresso will be 30 ml, 27 to 30 ml. You guys can see this one now 39. It's also still not good. The coffee, it's 29 gram. That means it's good. Let me show you the coffee. You see the difference. This one 44, this one little bit lighter, this one more darker. You see, this is the difference, and you see there. So let's take another shot. This is our final shot for the calibration. We will see now.
What kinds of bean do you use?
This is the blend. This one blend, right?
Yes.
This one blend we use.
What means of blend?
Blend means it's many coffee beans together, mix. Like Ethiopia, Colombia, everything mixed together there. And we use for the each shot 18.5 gram. It's depend on your basket. You see, this basket big, and some machine have smaller basket. They use 13 gram, 14 gram. It's depend on your basket. So this is our final. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drop. See, in 8 seconds it's supposed to be drawn. And see, the extraction, the coffee, it's very smooth, very nice. You see, it's very nice. And show the second, 27, 28, 29, 30. Perfect. And show the milli, 28 gram of, and
Gram.
28 gram of espresso. Let me show you the espresso. See, focus on this. Your espresso color supposed to be like this for the standard and good. Now let's test. How is it? That's what I'm looking for actually for the espresso. Finally I got this. So this is how you will make calibration. Let me show you again for the calibration. See, I make it here. It's all machine not supposed to be same like this. It's depend on you. See, I make it almost 6. It's coming 30 second and 30 gram. So your machine, you can see if is it coming like 15 gram, you have to make course like this. And if it is it came in 20 gram, then you have to make it fine. Came like this. So for the 18 gram, some people will be said in this video, in 18 gram why you extract 30 gram of espresso. It's supposed to be 36 or 37 because 1/2 the ratio for the espresso. So listen, we tried with 18 gram of coffee beans, coffee grinds with 37 gram we extract, but it's not a good result. It's a little bit watery. So we reduce little bit in the from the settings. We make it 30 gram. So after 30 gram, when we try, it's we get very good result. It's very nice. So that's why we make it 30 gram. I hope you guys understand. Some people ask why you make 30 gram. It's supposed to be 36 gram. That's the reason actually. So it's depends. Like when you taste coffee, it's depend on you. It's that doesn't mean like it's supposed to be 36. It's rules. No, it's different taste. Depend on you. So make it your coffee. Make your own way. So I hope you enjoy the video and learn about the calibration. I just share my knowledge, what I know. Hope you guys enjoy it. So in future, inshallah, I will come with another video, another something new for you guys. So bye bye. See you next video.